Hi everyone, Ms. Ashley here. I am ready to talk to you about today's teen craft kit. Super quick video. We have some homemade journals, breakfast journals is kind of the idea I was going for. If you've never seen these before, definitely Google them, give it a shot. They look awesome and they look like so much fun to complete. So inside your kit, you're actually going to find a few different things. Of course, you're going to find your journal. Now, as you go through and complete your journal, be mindful of the thickness of the pages. It might be helpful to kind of stick something in between underneath so that your markers or whatever medium you're using doesn't bleed through onto the next page. You're definitely going to find a blank journal inside your kit. You are going to find some sample pages and a list of prompts to get you started. These are pretty cool. I definitely got sucked into looking at all of the examples. They're a lot of fun. They look like some great things. Then you're going to find a baggie of miscellaneous supplies. Now this one has a Sharpie, a Teen Space pen for you to use. If you can see there's also some washi tape, some random sequin-like hearts, and some cool wiggle eyes. So just some random things to help get you started, and of course you can use anything you have lying around at home. So definitely take some photos of any pages that you finish, put them on our socials or send them to me through email, and I can't wait to see your finished product. Talk to you soon. Bye everyone.